What is going on, everybody? This is Tim Odell with Odell Complete Concrete, and on this small little job, we're just going to be fixing a major flooding issue in this side yard of this house. All this concrete right now is sloped towards the house, and every rainfall they've been getting, it has all been pooling right up against the house, causing lots of damage and starting to get into the house. So this was an emergency. Had to get this done ASAP. We got the full crew out here today as well. We got Tyler, Jimmy, and Shane. Got a huge massive stump we had to take out. So I rented a stump grinder to grind this whole thing down. We're actually going to be extending the concrete over a little bit from where the existing concrete is to as close to the fence as we can get. We're just going to give it a slight slope towards that fence. Basically, both properties, concrete shoots towards the fence, and then it looks like it has a little bit of slope going towards the front. So both of them are making basically a valley. So we're just trying to knock out this job as quick as possible on the weekend. Actually, this was a 2-day job. And we're doing it in between a job right now because we've been having so much rainfall in California. My other job site got rained out, so I was thinking this would be perfect to just jump over to this one real quick, knock this job out, help these guys out, and then head back to the other job site. So once we had all the demo loaded up inside the trailer, I ended up heading out to the dump to get rid of all of the excess waste, and Tyler stayed to work on all of the forming that needed to be done for this job site. Go time, dude. Gonna be a fun pour. So here we are about 10 a.m. now, pouring this job out, and it's a pretty relatively small pour, about 5 yards, nothing too crazy. So me and my brother are the only ones that are gonna be finishing this. We got Shane and Jimmy for cleanup and helping us shoot some extra shots, and also helping us get that fence put together as we're finishing the concrete. And this was a pretty nice mix. We had about 3,000 PSI. You can see all of our rebar in there. We're making sure to pull at that rebar as we're moving out. And rotting your concrete to the right slope and levels is probably the most crucial part of a whole concrete pouring job, just because if you don't get them to the right levels, you're just going to have to be working a lot harder once you're done with the rotting part of the job. You're going to have to be adjusting a lot of the concrete heights and levels, so this really sets the tone for the job. So since I did have to match that existing concrete right there, since the homeowners, they honestly just wanted to keep anything that was sloping the right way, and all the other concrete that I took out was sloping backwards. That one little piece that Tyler's standing on was the only piece of concrete that was sloping the right way towards the fence. They wanted to keep that in, so we kept that in for them, and now we're just trying to match that slope, which wasn't much. It was probably about 0.5%. So I was a little concerned around the door area, making sure that we got proper slope when we were rotting the concrete out on this job. You can also see Tyler going around on the areas or on the edges, making sure that we got enough concrete around those edges matching that existing concrete. We're also using a wooden bowl float to float all of the concrete after we rotted everything off. And we do have sponge action going on. Here's our joint cutter. Cutting the joints right now, following the existing concrete joints. Really, just working right off the corner. And then we have Tyler edging the whole side, going down the whole side of the form.
Okay. No, not the front.
Yeah, where's the 2x4s you're using for this? We can join them.
Yeah, that's what we'll have to do, honestly.
Just looks so nice when you can. Yeah, alright, I'll go get the. What should I do actually? Should I just go edge the front?
Yeah, you probably just go edge that front real quick.
Or do you want to snap these joints?
I would like to snap the joint from there to there and just run the joint all the way through.
Okay.
That would be kind of nice.
I'll get on that side then. Ready?
Man, I don't know if that thing is gonna roll out. It's so winded up. Maybe give it to Jimmy right there and he can walk it around.
Well, if I just hold this and I can throw you this. You ready? Alright.
Okay.
Wow, that was just enough.
Oh, yeah. I think we're getting ahead of it though. So go back kind of far though too, Tyler. Tyler, I just want you to double check as close as you can towards that doorway. That's the only spot that I'm a little concerned about.
On the door?
The doorway right there, right here.
Oh, that area.
And then the other door. Those are the only two spots I'm concerned about. They're like the lowest points. Okay. Go back as far as you can, just so it's nice and straight. All right, right there is fine. Okay, you want to hit it? Or can you? I got it. Want me to get it?
You can hit it. Snap it one time.
Okay. Want me to throw it back to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here's the final pass on this job that me and Tyler are doing and going down on. He's going to be brooming out the job as I go down on the sliders and finish up everything.
No.
Once we get out to the more widened area, we'll both be going down and brooming each section.
Just be really gentle on that broom, man.
Trying to give it a nice light broom finish, as light as possible really. Nothing too heavy.
There you go. Yeah.
We got the 50% nylon, 50% horsehair broom out here on this job. That's the OG broom right there. Now here we are at the widened area where me and Tyler can really start to go down on both sides together and then broom out what we finish. I did throw a level on these areas that I was concerned about, just to make sure that we had proper slope, which was the door area. I was concerned about the door area. So we're just going to keep going down on our sliders, finishing the concrete, and then giving it a nice broom textured finish. But that basically wraps up this job, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little job we did. I know the homeowners did. They don't have to worry about flooding issues anymore, and that was the main point of this job, was to stop any future flooding issues, and that's what we did. So anyways, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment any questions you guys may have on the job, and stay tuned for more jobs and videos.